and I hold on. You see my right hand is my anchor hand. You see my hands aren't moving at all. And I'm coming up, so this is called coning up. So I'm bringing my hands in like this. I have it going as fast as I can. I'm holding on, and my thumbs are not crisscrossing. They're on that. They come up with this piece. So I'm like that. The next thing you do, and you need water for these two steps. The next one, I put my hand again, my anchor hand. I'm tucked in. I am anchored. Right here, this part of my hand, the fat part of my hand, is going to go over, pushing forward like a joystick and sliding my hand over. As now I just start applying pressure, going down with my left hand. My right hand is standing very still because I don't want this to move. So what I'm doing is I'm coming down like this, I'm pressing down, but then as I'm going towards the bottom, I start dropping the heel of my hand so I can get that nice shape. And it looks like a doorknob or a mushroom. The next thing you do is I take my finger, you see I'm connected all the time. It's about balance. So I just touch it there so that I know where I'm going. So I call this kissing thumbs. So you're going to put your hands like this, and I'm pressing down like this. And I'm slow, but by putting my fingers together, it's parabolic. It looks like it's already a bowl. You can see it in there, right? So now I'm going to take the needle tool and I press down, and I put my finger down like this, and I know that I'm a quarter inch from the bottom. That's all I need. The next thing I do is I'm going to put my thumbs together again, kissing right in that center, and I'm going to pull my thumbs apart slowly.
So that makes it wider.
And I'm going up like a smile. And you see I'm letting it revolve several times before I move, because otherwise it's going to torque. So I've come up, right? And then I'm going to compress the lip. So by compressing the lip, I'm just very gently letting this run through my fingers. You don't see I'm not making a mark or anything. And then I just touch this very gently like a feather. And it just squares it off. The next thing I do is I straighten it up very gently, because you have to throw up, not out. So now I take the water out of the center. You keep removing the water even though I'm going to put it back. So I just do like that, just fast. So my fingers were like this. I'm doing this, and then I'm separating my knuckles, and I'm going like a U, but slow. The next thing I do is I'm going to press my finger. This side is against there, and I'm just pressing down, and it's going over my finger.
Then I'm going to bring it up 14% by scanning it. And then they need a 12%
And now I'm going to just put my finger in that spot, and when it goes over my finger, see, I'm holding it there, I'm just lifting it up, and I'm waiting, and I'm coming up again, and I'm waiting, and I'm coming up again, and I'm waiting, and I'm coming up, and I'm waiting, and I'm going up again, waiting. It's about a 2 or 3 count. My inside hand is just not pushing out, and then I let go like an exhale. It's just, my hand is riding up. It's riding up together. Again, I'm compressing, and again, I'm taking this out, right? Okay. So I'm doing this again.
They have it manufactured.
My fingers are like a salute. They come in at 4 o'clock, very gently. I'm completely opposite. My fingertips are completely opposite to this. So now I'm doing this again. I'm coming up. I'm coming up. So I move, and I go 1, 2.
Enough to
Move.
invest in it,
1,
rather than seeing a
2.
drawing of it
Move.
and having it
1, 2.
misinterpreted.
Move.
You know,
1,
they get to
2.
see it, feel it, hold it, walk around, see
Move.
their
1, 2.
proportions, you know.
I get up to the top, and I go 1, 2, 3, and very gently separate my hands.
And when we do this here, we're doing what we feel by looking.
I just want to feel this again. So I know that if my fingers feel even, I have finger on the inside, a finger on the outside, I've done it. There's no more I can pull up.
Exactly. You might have an idea.
So now
of
I
what
take
you wanna
this.
do, but to do that on the computer.
And I'm going to straighten this up.
Right? So, that was it.
Just
One is
like
good.
that.
One is good.
Because now it's even, I know it's even, and I'm going to shape it. I take the water out.
Anyway, nothing.
This is my favorite
No, it's
rib.
not that, I had it.
And you hold it like this, and I'll probably be doing this for you, because it's another skill, and you'll wreck your balls probably in the beginning. So you're rolling over. See what I'm doing? But you can still try it if you want to. And then I straighten it up,
It is one way to
and I come
handle it.
down, and as I'm coming down,
Yeah,
my
so-
fingers are separating to support the bowl,
Low,
and I'm coming
maybe
down.
deeper bowl, you can-
And I can't really go down any further, so I'm gonna take it out, but as I'm doing this, I'm supporting, my thumb is coming towards me to support that lip.
Yeah,
So now I take this down, you can see what it looks like on the inside. So now I'm going to do it again.
okay.
More like that, but doesn't look right.
And now I've never taken it off, I straightened it up, and I'm coming down, and I'm doing this very slowly. I'm barely touching, I'm using it, I don't know if you've ever done any woodwork, like a pattern, like a jig.
Yeah, it's, some views are better than others.
You know, I think too now, looking at that, the way you're handling it, I can envision that
So now I'm doing this again.
on that pitch and everything, and then, let's say, quote, high art, lay a bouquet in that,
Oh, that would be nice.
lay a bouquet in it.
Yeah, that would be nice.
I don't mean just
Beautiful.
like this, I mean the stems coming out of that.
Like here, like that, that's a
Yes.
beautiful idea.
You
Yeah,
know, that's like,
that's a really nice idea. Yeah, that's a nice idea.
and you could.
Yeah,
So then again, right, now I'm
do a
straightening
piece
it up,
just
and
to
I'm
scale
coming
it for
down.
that reason, you know?
yeah. Yeah, that would really be nice. Yeah, that would be
Fancy,
really nice.
fancy, lemon or something like that, the little pieces.
Yeah,
Holy crow.
yeah, that'd be really pretty.
Hey, guess what?
Yeah, very pretty.
You were talking about cattails and I said I haven't
So
seen
now
any.
I'm going here.
Where?
Okay.
I can get them now.
Where?
In Hillsdale.
Really? Can you get me some?
I'll get
So
you
I
some.
flipped it over so that I'm using the fatter side down, because I wanna make more of a
It's bunks,
chubby
like,
bowl, of a
those are-
pregnant bowl.
They grow like in a swamp area. They look like Tootsie Rolls.
Or cigars, they look like cigars, right? And then when they dry out, you light them. When they dry out, you light them, the kids kind of spin them around
Yeah.
in the yard and.
People used to light them up and they just burn slowly. A lot of smoke, keep away mosquitoes.
Oh, yeah, right.
And they have a very, very earthy kind of smoky smell.
Oh,
No, maybe, I'm sure I know, but
Yeah.
not by the name.
oh my God.
Looks like oversized incense.
Yeah.
It's a good.
Yeah, and when the wind blows
It's
through it,
like
it sounds like
green
ducks.
No, no,
Like
well,
ducks.
in the beginning, it's.
They
Never
make a
heard that.
cracking noise.
Stop.
They have them
But
all around my
they
road.
get about sometimes this
And
round,
Teddy, when we do our walks,
this long.
goes, let's go down the duck road.
How around?
Cause they said the ducks.
It's not bad, boo.
Okay, folks, see you Thursday.
Okay, Gary.
Take
care.
Bye.
I couldn't believe it, I haven't seen those things around, I hear they are on the park, the next town. Really? Yes.
Oh my God.
And they're
There's
nice
a
now,
ball.
they're full
Really?
and holding together.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you gonna
My
get-
favorite thing to make is bowls, there's something very soothing about it.
I'm gonna go with,
And I think about what I'm gonna put in it.
I don't know what time they got it, I couldn't go today. Because
In
the
my
park,
brain.
the park's close.
I've gotta make carrot stuff. Here's 4 plates, that's it.
I have no idea, I believe it.
I'm riding on the highway and I see them and I
Yeah.
wanna stop and it's like, what are you, crazy?
I have
I'm
to
like,
see them around.